Alright, America, this is Velma right now. We are going to do a summary of what we did in class. We just covered some fairly simple stuff. It looks more complicated than it is. It involves some hand changes, outside turn, inside turn, which we've already learned some versions of that in the earlier classes. So, what we started with was the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 5, 6, pushing right for my rock step into her elbow, just a little bit, just a little nudge. That helps us get better. Now on the rock side turn, rock step, and I'm going to leave both hands. I'm going to let go with the right and lead with the left. What I don't want to do is hold the right and lead with the left, because that will be confusing. I'm giving her mixed signals. I'm saying stay and go, and turn and don't turn. But we want to tell her to turn either with both hands or turn with one hand with no copy. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ideally I want her foot going that way on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from this position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And can you show without the walking, just going to turn over 2 feet. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6. So like that. 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay? So ladies, you can take your step on 1 and 3 and rise to 1, 5, 6. That's an alternative. Don't usually do the taps on the turn because that gets a little bit confusing to do that. Alright, so what we did in class here, we did an outside turn, we changed hands, remember to drop the baton into the other hand. We don't let it go and drop it, we place it into the other hand. And then we're going to push towards her to rock steps, move to the side and downward so she goes to space. Okay, then I'll put the other hand on the bottom. She's going to take that hand. Rock step. Then we're going to do another rock step turn. Both hands are going to go over. 1, 2, 3, 4, rock step. Face it. Rock step. Now for this other one, we're going to do an inside turn. This is a change of timing. It's going to be 4 counts instead of 6 counts for each part. So, but instead of pushing her straight back, I'm going to take my hands down and to the left. And particularly my right hand is going to go down and to the left. Okay? And then I'm going to bring her up, I'm going to go through, and then we'll let her rock step. So it's going to look like this. Rock step through, rock step through, rock step through, rock step through, rock step through. And notice her shoulders don't just go straight back. I make her shoulders curve. I take my left hand towards her, pulling on my left hand, my right hand towards her, pulling on my right hand. Left hand towards her. Right hand and pull. Left hand and pull. Right hand and pull. We finish this by taking our right hand and placing it into our right hand, holding her right hand, placing it into my left hand, and then the other hand will just separate naturally. Okay? That will look like this. Rock step through, rock step through, rock step through, wait, rock step. That's what they say. Okay? What we can also do is, as an alternative, we can do an outside turn, rock step through, you can catch your shoulder, catch your hand, catch your shoulder. Let me show you that from other positions. Right here, rock step through, rock step through. Sometimes I catch the wrist, sometimes that's easier than catching the hands here. And I'm letting her shoulder touch my hand, letting her shoulder come back into my hand, and her shoulder turn, and then making it back to do a rotation. There you rock step backwards. Okay, what we can also do is we can come through into a inside turn. So inside turn, rock step, inside turn, rock step, inside turn, rock step. Okay? I'm doing each of these is a counterclockwise turn, and I'm initiating it by turning her shoulders not straight back, as you can see on the camera, but curved, and then through to the hand, drop, step, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, and finish up, 5, 6, go down and to the left, and I'm going to set it down to the left, and we're going to relay a little basic, because if you bring it up, you'll probably think it's a turn. Bring it down to the left, she will go right onto that foot, and there won't be much choice as far as other alternatives, so it'll be opposite. Okay, that's pretty much all we do today. Thank you.